Today I will be telling you all about RPWD Act 2016. So RPWD Act is Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. It was implemented in India into December 27th, 2016. The Act aims to promote the provisions and policies of UNCRPD Act. What is UNCRPD? UNCRPD is United Conventions for Persons with Disabilities Act. So to implement the policies and all the provisions provided through UNCRPD, India made a separate act for persons with disabilities. These are non-discrimination, accessibility, respect for inherent dignity, individual autonomy, and choices and independence of individuals, full participation in every aspect, be it education or be it government job, equality of opportunities and equal opportunities for both men and women. The Act expanded from 7 disabilities to 21 disabilities, which included multiple disabilities, locomotor disabilities, cerebral palsy, specific learning disability, autism spectrum disorder, mental illness, intellectual disability, locomotor disability, and many other. Act introduced benchmark disability, which refers to a person having at least 40% disability, which is certified by a competent authority. The Act promotes inclusive education for children with benchmark disability, which includes children from the age group of 6 to 18 years. They get free education in government and government aided schools. The school will also provide learning material, support, accessibility, accommodation, learning material, and necessary services required to accommodate the needs of the student for Persons with Disabilities Act, and they will be promoted and they will be included in their office and office community for daily work. Accessibility for buildings, infrastructure, public transport, website, and the technology that we use everyday life. So RPWD was meant for persons with disabilities, to include them, to make them a part of society so that they are not excluded and people don't empathize with them and they don't marginalize them, they include them and they believe that they are a part of our society and they treat them as equal human beings. It was a brief introduction about RPWD Act 2016. Stay tuned for more such informative videos.